What if a shop could run 24 by 7 without staff, without billing counters, and still track every single sale in real time? That's not the future, that's a smart vending machine. Today, let's understand in very simple words what a smart vending machine actually is. So, a vending machine is an automated machine that sells products like snacks, beverages, gym products, or even electronic items without a shopkeeper. So you select the product, you make the payment, and the product dispenses from the machine. But now let's move to the smart version. It's connected to the internet. It accepts cashless payments like UPI, QR cards, NFC, and mobile wallets. It has a digital touchscreen as well. And most importantly, it's connected to the backend VNetWare VMS software. This means the owner can manage the vending machines from anywhere, check stock, update prices, run promotions, see reports, and control multiple locations. So it's not just a machine, it's a smart vending machine with advanced technology. And these smart vending machines are placed in different locations like offices, colleges, airports, hospitals, malls, metro stations, etc. In simple words, a smart vending machine is an intelligent, internet connected automated shop that sells products 24 by 7 and gives complete control of the data to the operators. If you are a business owner, brand, or operator, a smart vending is not just a machine, it's a scalable retail unit for you. And this is just the beginning.